Good morning, everybody. So I went on coupons.com because it's a habit for me to go every morning, and I saw that a ton of coupons have reset, so you guys can reprint the Arm & Hammer if you guys haven't yet. The Colgate Essentials is a $2 off coupon. That's a great one. That reset. The Cheez-Its reset. This Arm & Hammer reset. I'm going to print off the Aleve because there's been some really good deals with Aleve, but that reset. Maybelline New York reset. The wipes, everything just reset. So I'm just printing off some of the good ones. It looks like they added some new ones. So here we got the Cetaphil $2 off, $2 off the Outdoor Windex, another Aleve I'm printing off. The Rimmel I print or reset, so I'm printing that one off. The Schick $3 off razors, I don't know if I should print that one off, but the Rimmel Face reset, Tidy Cats. Here we got Renews It Oils. That one looks like it's a new one. I think this Neocell Collagen Powder. That looks like it might be new, but I'm not 100% positive. But otherwise, I say print them off again. If you guys really love those coupons, definitely print them off. I know the Arm & Hammer is a limit of 1 per account. That's why I have 2 coupon accounts, 2 coupons.com accounts. But other than that, that is it for coupons to print. And then the ones that did not reset are the Magnum ones in the Cascade. So just wanted to share with you guys on that. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.